Disability Arts Cymru is holding an exhibition this Christmas at the Norwegian Church in Cardiff Bay, and we've been along to find out more.
Okay, this is an annual exhibition run by Disability Arts Cymru. It's 42 pieces of mixed media visual art by 42 disabled artists from across Wales. The mixed media, we have photography, painting, sculpture, collage, and it's a real eclectic collaboration of work by disabled and deaf artists from throughout Wales.
I was diagnosed with Asperger's at age 5, and that particular branch of autism is essentially a communication disorder. On a level of raising awareness of disabilities, extremely important, because even though people know about autism, there's still not a lot of coverage about it, and it still gets a bad press to a degree.
There are lots of barriers in society for disabled artists, and that really is across the range. That can be physical barriers into galleries and exhibition spaces, and also attitudinal barriers. So it really depends on the individual artist, but we're there to help break down those barriers and make equal access for all people, all disabled artists. At Disability Arts Cymru, we do offer equalities training, arts equality training, and it's just about letting people know what barriers artists do face, and just getting the information out there, which is what we do on a daily basis, working with arts organisations and disability organisations, offering them training, consultancy and advice and support where it's needed.
Exhibitions like this, it must be quite satisfying to now know that other people are enjoying your work.
Yeah, and it's also, I mean, especially this type of exhibition, because it's trying to get other people to understand that just because someone's got a disability doesn't mean that they can't express themselves or come up with beautiful pieces of sculpture or photographic work or whatever the case is, like, you know. And I think that's one of the biggest problems that you always come across, regardless about what disability you've got. You're always kind of seen as a second-class citizen, like, you know.
The interest I'm getting from the people that come to the exhibition has been brilliant. A lot of people see my work, they think it's really pretty, it's really nice, but when they read the caption aloud, it's not always clear. It gives them an idea how a deaf person thinks about in the hearing world. So it's very good exposure, and it's wonderful to see so many artists with fantastic abilities. So it's been brilliant.
There's a reason why this exhibition is very important.
Yes, this exhibition is celebrating the life of artist Mark Antonianis, who died prematurely in May this year. So it's celebrating his work, and we've got a number of pieces of Mark's running through the exhibition, and he was a real campaigner of disability rights and disability art, and he had asked us that the exhibition be in his memory. So it's really fantastic that we've got his work on display.